and welcome to my channel. So today is the part 2 / the tasting video of the hopped tea that we started a few weeks back now. So if you haven't seen the part 1 of this, where I make hopped tea, pretty cool, I will stick the link at the top there. So it has finished and, well, we have hopped tea. To look at it, it looks a lot like, well, a beer, which is pretty cool. So I'm actually just going to pour some off and we're going to try this because, well, I don't know of anyone that has done this and I'm really curious to see what it actually tastes like. So, got myself a cheeky glass. I'd actually sealed the lid because I wanted to make sure it was okay. Whoa, okay. That actually smells almost like a beer, which is weird because there is no malt in here. Oh, I think it's actually the hop flavor that's coming through. Smells really nice. Oh yeah, just sniffing from the bottle. That's what you need to do. Wow. So let's pour some out. Try not to disturb it. So I've got myself my glass, and as you can see, it almost looks like a beer with no head, but it has a really nice smell in the bottle, and it has a really nice smell now. It is kind of berry, floral hops. If you've ever had the Strasbourg hops, they're normally used for bittering, but this time it was dry hopped, and it doesn't smell bitter. Smells really good, so I'm gonna give it a try because, well, we've got to see if it's worth bottling up. Cheers. That's nice. So you don't get the tea flavor because I hate tea, which is a good thing. You've got like a mild hoppy taste which carries through that kind of berry floral flavor. It is not bad. So what I'm going to do, because I can, I'm going to add a bit of sweetener to it. A cheeky teaspoon. Let's see what it's like sweet. Because, well, it is a tea and usually you add some type of sugar to tea. Unless you're one of those weird people that don't. So I've given it a minute for the sweetener to work its way through. I mean, it's okay on its own, but it has kind of a hop taste, which is kind of berryish. It is a berry taste, which is weird, but at the same time, I'm not going to complain. That's what I can taste. Not a lot of tannin. See, it smells like black currant. It's kind of the smell I'm getting. But the taste is the most important bit. That's really nice. Now, I liked it before when it was unsweetened, but at the same time I also like it when it's been sweetened. It's kind of like a berry tea, but more of a hop flavor, but berry tea. It is actually very, very pleasant. I wouldn't call this a beer, but at the same time I would say it was drinkable. Great success! Yay! So I went straight to the tasting because, well, it's hot tea. I mean, you add it in to something else, usually a beer, even the actual tea. This, I had low expectations and high hopes. I mean, of course, you do with any brew that you kind of go, that sounds like fun, let's do it. And this seems to have worked out. Without the sweetness, you've got kind of a moreish type of beer flavor. Without the beer, obviously, it doesn't have that malt taste, it just has the hops that you get. Very pleasant, actually. It's sort of a black currantly berry floral. It's good, considering that Strasbourg is usually a bittering hop, but this has actually worked out really nice. It smells really good. It's another one of those that doesn't taste like tea. Like I said, that's a good thing because I hate tea. So you want to know what the end alcohol was at this. So it went in at 1.035-ish, somewhere around there. And it is finished at 998/999, somewhere around there. So the end alcohol result, because we used the beer yeast, is around 5%, which is nothing to be sniffed at. So this is actually pretty good. If you don't have a beer kit, you got some tea bags and some hops that you got to use up, give it a go. Had to get myself another glass. Can't do a thorough test without it. So it's actually really, really good. Really good. Really, really good. So the thing about this is that, well, depending on what hops you're going to add in, is depending what the flavors you're going to get out at. So I'd love to hear from you guys. Well, if you do make this, what type of hops and what is the end result? I mean, it's actually really nice, sweetened, almost like a sweet tea. It's really good. Berry peach now. Obviously, the different amount of sweetness brings out different flavors. It's now got a berry peach flavor. God knows why, but it does. I mean, it's the gift that keeps on giving. So I'm not going to do the bottling video for this because, by the looks of it, it's not going to last very long. And I have been ranting about this for pretty much the whole video. So if you're looking to do something a little bit different, got some stuff that's lying about and you're like, well, why not? Give this a go. I'd love to hear what you come up with and what it turned out like, because this is really good. It's good stuff. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and of course check out some of the other ones, and of course subscribe if you feel like it. And I'm stunned. So catch you later, guys. Carry on homebrewing. See ya.